Yes, my name is Hyunwoo No, and I'm a research lead of Operator in OpenAI.
And what is Operator?
Operator is a research preview of an agent that uses browsers to help user to do things. So I have 3-year-old kid who likes pasta, so I make a linguine with clam. So I ask it to buy the groceries for it. So I will use Instacart tab. And operator can actually basically use any websites without, and it is not particularly optimized for Instacart. But the reason why using this app is that it provides a detailed instruction of how this website can be best utilized, just like the tutorial that human can benefit from. So I'll use Instacart tab and ask it to solve task. Could you find a recipe of linguine with clams from our recipes website and add all ingredients to the grocery cart of Instacart? I think I already have some ingredients like butter, vegetable oil, and waters, and black pepper. So you don't need to add them to the cart. So it says that I'll find recipe and then add everything in the ingredients to the cart. And okay, it says that it'll confirm the ingredients and store with me before adding them to the cart. So let's start by finding the recipe. I'm not doing anything from now on. The operator is just doing, and I'm just watching what it's doing. What is interesting with the operator is that it is using browsers that are built for the human, and it is seeing the exactly same screen that I'm seeing right now, and using the keyboard typing and mouse clicking to control the browser, just like human would do. This is different from other agents that uses API or programming-based interface, which programmers might understand, but non-programmer users cannot understand really well. So operator, because it is using this natural human interface, it's very easy to follow by just looking at what it's doing in the screen.
Can you follow its progress?
Yes. So one way to following its progress is I can zoom in to see the screen better. And Operator is powered by the text-based chain of thought reasoning. So whenever it is doing things, it says, it makes plans of how things can be done. And this can be followed through this list of the dots. And it says I found a recipe and which store would you prefer to use? So I'll ask, use Gus's. So often it asks clarifying question whenever it is needed in the process of solving the task. There are cases that operator have to make sensitive actions like things like logging in or buying things. In this case, we built operator to be safe in this situation. So operator is designed to ask us to take control to log in by ourselves, or whenever it needed checking it, it gives us the control so that I can double check whether the list is correct and then checking it by myself.
Amazing. Thank you so much. I appreciate you showing it to us.
Thank you so much.
My name is Sarah Yu, and I'm a program manager at OpenAI. Today I'm going to show you how you can add custom instructions to a website to personalize your experience on Operator. To get started, you're going to click on your account, and you'll see this Websites tab on the side. And for me, I really like to use Priceline to book my trips, and so I'm going to add some custom instructions to Priceline. So for me, I like to keep my vacation schedules really flexible, and so I like fully refundable rates. And I also like to make sure I have one meal planned in advance, so I like to opt for free breakfast. So I'm going to type always look for fully refundable rates and free breakfast. Now, every time I use the Priceline, the model will have access to these instructions, and so I won't have to remind it every time. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm trying to plan some trips in advance for the year, and so I'm gonna start by typing Priceline, and I'm trying to plan a trip to New York right now, so I'm gonna say find me a hotel for New York City for October 1st to October 7th. I have no preference for bed size. And I'm gonna fire it off. And now it's gonna start searching and keep my preferences in mind.
And then at this point, are you doing anything or is operator
Yeah.
working?
I'm not doing anything right now. The operator is doing everything by itself. So it'll actually come back once it's found all the details, and it'll ask me to confirm the details look correct. And then either I can take over and check out, or I can ask them all to check out. And once it actually clicks, before it clicks the button, it'll ask me to confirm before it does that too.
Great, well, have a great trip.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, good morning.
Can you tell us your name? What do you do here at OpenAI?
Yeah, sure. My name is Baishen Xu, and I'm a software engineer on the operator product team.
Amazing. And what are you going to show us today?
Yeah, today I want to show you a very cool feature the team built to make operator better. What we do is we allow you to save tasks that people often do with operator for later use. On the top right of every conversation or every task, there's a Save Task button that you can click, and it will help you generate a task with the right title and right prompt. Like ordering a boba or getting an Uber home. And I'm going to show you how I use it to book a Friday dinner reservation. And this is the prompt that I gave to operator, and I'm going to trigger it. Now, as instructed, operator would ask what type of food I would like, and this time I want to have Chinese food, try China Live, if it's available. And now operator just loads up browser and start doing task. I'm all hands off. It will go to the opentable.com and start doing the task without me having to do anything.
Great, have a good dinner. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.